Oh god.
Why do we have to decide who's the winner based off of this one?
Man, I suck at RNG.
Okay. Who's first? The first one loses. Oh, it's over for you.
I know it's over. It's over. I'm the sacrifice. Here, I'll just press it. Oh, let's go. Okay. Boom. Oh, okay. Okay, that was not boom.
Okay. Guys, this is maybe my last day on Earth. Just know that I love you.
Love you too. This is my last day on Earth, yeah. My last day.
Alright. I'll take, okay. I'll take this one. It's my last day. It was nice to know you, Gigi. You're beautiful. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not my last day. But it will be eventually.
I think it's my last day on Earth. I'm gonna pick the blue one because you're wearing blue. And Shirley, I'm alive. I think it's over for you. I think it's your last day on Earth.
Okay, I'm going with this again. It's my last day. It was great knowing you. You're beautiful. You're... What? What is... Oh.
I'm going to pick... Guys, the green color is because we have two beautiful green members in the lobby who are now dearly departed. Okay, and green for green! You just gotta go again!
It's my last day. Screw this. We're gonna go guns blazing. Blazing fire. It's my last day, Gigi. This is my last day.
Okay, actually, I don't want to be alive anymore. I'm picking this color because I want to die, okay? I'm choosing to die. F you! Okay, I don't actually want to die.
This is my last day. Yeah, come on. You can't... Yellow has wrong on me. It's gotten me, like... It's gotten me to live twice. It's gonna die now.
Okay, okay.
I'm going to pick pink because pink has been the one who was the killer. And I swear to you, I want you to win. I want you to win. That's why I'm picking pink. Oh, darn, what a shame.
It's my last day, guys.
It's like the last day to my last day. I'm gonna go with green because green won last time. It should make me lose this time. It's gonna kill me.
Guys, today is my last day on Earth, and I'm going to pick red because it's red like the insides of my body. And this is what you're gonna see when I blow up. So I'm gonna choose red. Goodbye, Shiori!
Okay, well, I'm now traumatized again.
It's my last day, guys. It's my last day. PogChamp. Poggers! Wow.